first day today.
Starting going to go.
And that's how she goes. I get to fly the drone around for a few minutes before he's full, and then we get to load her up. Getting her right in there.
I think you have around 35,000. What does your scale say?
34.
Okay, so put that on the front of the semi. It probably won't all go.
Bring that auger head on around. We got some issues, so we'll take a look. I kind of saw some smoke coming out from it. It's a belt issue here. Those are supposed to be loose.
See if we can turn Shane into mechanic.
Probably not possible.
You're tightening it, so
that's okay.
Bad start.
You guys want it plus that jam.
We will eventually want it tightened, but we're going to listen to it first. Got a guest appearance from Adam Mann on the show today. We were having good luck till he showed up.
It's everybody's fault but ours.
Don't put that on there. I can't get it loose enough to pop that thing over.
Look at that one right there you were looking at. Hold on one.
Got it.
Hey guys, it's Doug, 4 Aces Farms. Welcome to harvest. So we've completed 2 days of harvest. On Monday we did a little bit of corn. Corn came in around 20%. Reasonable yield, kind of over some hills on a farm that was my grandparents' farm. I think we showed it when it was getting planted early in the spring. Run it through a dryer now. We will take that to a feed mill in Grinnell, and that will go directly to hog feed. And so, yeah, we're hoping to deliver that late Thursday or Friday, getting it all dried down now. Yesterday we had our first bean field, a 2.1 maturity. It just means in this area that's an early maturing bean. It was ready to go yesterday. The moisture on it was in the mid to high 12s. Anything below 13, 13 and a half is a good moisture, so we're real happy with that. Had a nice yield there. We're waiting around a little bit today. We're getting some sunshine. I don't know if you can tell it bouncing off my face, but that sun is hot. But the wind turbines would tell you right now that there is no wind because they are not moving. So it takes a little longer. Last night, a lot of moisture came up, almost like it rained. So that slows us down this morning. Beans, you cannot go until you've had some drying time. Usually you need the humidity below 70%. A little breeze and or sun helps. And so we're hoping to start here somewhere between 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. Just kind of got to wait till the beans tell you they're ready. We delivered a couple semi-loads to Grinnell. Shane drove one back, so we're trying to make him into a big rigger. He's on his way, getting started there. Kurt's taking the other load in now. We're gonna try to clean up a few things around here and just get ready to go whenever the beans are ready.
What did you just say?
This thing has a massaging chair in it, am I right?
Correct.
Yeah, how do you get that to work?
Nobody ever told me. I just had to figure it out.
Ooh, it's on my legs. It's not as good as the mall ones, but I'll take it. It's kind of cool. All right, get a little market report quick too. The market.
Wait to tell me.
Yeah, I'm doing a little video for it. I'm gonna tell you.
I just want you to tell me on the radio.
December corn finished up 13 cents, and November soybeans finished up 11 cents. So that's pretty good.
Nice day going into harvest. Everybody's been all down in the market, so that's a good finish. And maybe up a tick from an hour ago. I always like the ones that give you the extra boost at the end, but at least this one gave you a tiny boost. It's better than the sell-off at the end, and it takes all the fun out of that rally.